Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I truly hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up. Alright y'all, so happy Friday! Yes, we have yet another edition of Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. Yes, so Budget Friendly Friday is where I'm bringing you affordable wigs that are under $25. So today we're going to be reviewing a unit from Beshe. I'm not sure. This is actually my very first time reviewing a wig from this line. Beshe or Beshe, I'm not sure. Somebody let me know down in the comments below. I have her in the style Heidi and in the color F4/27. So she claims to have a pre-plucked part, a spinnable part, ear-to-ear soft invisible lace, HD invisible lace, slayable edges, and she comes with baby hairs. She's also heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is what her stock card looks like. Alright y'all, so we are just going to go ahead and dive right into the video. Alright y'all, so let's talk about Miss Heidi. Another easy breezy throw on and go. This is of course another HD invisible lace, so yeah, I had to go in with my Even Tint spray. And I'm switching. I used to use the dark brown, but I was noticing, so I was like, let me try the medium brown and see if it's a difference. And I think this works a little better than this darker brown. So you just kind of got to play around with these colors until you find the one that works. So I did not have to glue this down. I did decide to use just a few of the little baby hairs up here, only because it's not really a pre-plucked hairline. It does say that it has a pre-plucked parting space, which I could agree with, so that would be a pro. The parting space is a little pre-plucked. I did pull some of the hair that was in the middle. Those were really more so baby hairs, but I didn't want them right there in the parting space, so I just kind of pulled them out. So as for a spinnable part, I did not test this wig to see if it's spinnable or shiftable. I don't know why they're using the word spinnable. I mean, you're not spinning anything, but okay. I didn't test to see if it's shiftable. She definitely does come down ear to ear, and I would consider her all head friendly for my bigger head friends. The baby hairs that she does have are pretty thin for the most part, so of course that's another pro. That's wonderful. That's what we want. We don't need thick baby bangs. I also love the length, y'all. This is, well, they're saying it's 16 inches, and I'm sure because it's like curly, if it was straightened, it would probably actually look like 16 inches. I love this color. I can rock with this F4/27. And then they have in parentheses frost. So yeah, I definitely like this color blend. Very pretty. Now, I have not experienced any tangling, y'all, but the shedding is real. Oh my goodness. It's like hair everywhere. I feel like hair is all over me. Even before I decided to comb her out, like before I did anything to her, I was just like, good Lord. Hello? Do we have to have this much shedding already? But yeah, that's what you got. So let's talk about the price. The price point for this wig is pretty much $23.99 everywhere that I've seen. Of course, I'll always leave a link down in the description box of various options if you're interested. So overall, I mean, I think it's a cute wig. I felt like I had to like really work with this one. So as you can see, I did do some tuckage behind the ear. I just kind of took the front parts of the hair of the wig and just tucked it behind my ear and just kind of brought the hair back out. I felt like when it was all out, it just looked a mess. That's what I mean by I had to work with it. Like, I do think that this unit will look super cute with a headband, because y'all know like the headband thing is like a whole trend right now. So I'm just gonna throw on one and see how it looks. Which one should I do? Black. Let's see what I'm wearing. Green. I feel like I did yellow before, but I feel like yellow would make this pop. So I'm gonna go with that. This is cute. I did do yellow. I just remembered. I'm like, did I do yellow? Like, I'm really having an internal battle with myself. Like, did I do yellow? Yep, I did. But here we are again. So yeah, I feel like it's cute like this with a little headband wig. Just bring the hair up and forward. You are good to go. That's cute. Or whatever. I can dig that. I can rock with that. Alright y'all, so that's really all that I have for this budget friendly Friday. I thank you all so much for tuning in and watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.